Here's how to reset the oil light on a Toyota Corolla. And this does apply to the majority of Toyotas, as long as they have this style right here and the display button right here. All right, so let's get started. First, you'll turn your key to on, so 2 clicks. 1, 2. Things will light up. You're gonna go to display and you're gonna hit it all the way until you reach the odometer that I was just at earlier. So once you're at this screen, you're going to turn the car off, and then you're going to hold this display button as you turn the key to on. So let's do this, and I'm gonna try to do this with one hand somehow. All right, here we go. I'm holding the display button. I have the brake pressed down, and then I'm gonna turn that key. So all 3 of those at the same time. It's blinking, let go, and push it again. And I'm talking about the display button. You wanna let go of it and push it back once it starts blinking. Okay, now let's make sure that maintenance light went away. Start it up. No more maintenance light. And I'm talking about the maintenance light that was right here earlier. It's gone. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button, and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.